Hey, leather my friends! Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we came to Celestic Town and took down Cyrus for the first time. Off screen, I grinded everywhere to level 44 and I caught another Pokemon being a Floatzel. I named it Kibo and leveled it up to level 29 and it is with XP share now. And also, for some reason, the person who was meant to give you choice packs doesn't give you choice pack. So yeah, okay, it only works in Wednesday morning. So yeah, that's why he doesn't give us any kind of choice packs. And in this episode, we're going to continue our journey in the Sinnoh region. And also, yesterday I asked you guys the question of the day: what is the first or poison type mythical? In case if you guys doesn't know, there is no poison type mythicals ever, but there is one. It's a form. So yeah, it is none other than Arceus poison itself. So it's little bit unfair. As I was saying, it's little bit unfair, but whatever. So yeah, and yeah, let's continue our journey in this region. And also there is the move deleter in this town. I don't know where the name writer. I wish I can find him, but if anything happens, it happens. Oops! Hey Lucas, you're going to challenge the gym leader of past year, huh? Someone should check to see if you are ready for this challenge. That someone is me with my brand new gym badge. Sorry, Lucas was Barry, and he opened up with his Staraptor. Switch out. Bring out a jet. Kamikaze. It's so unfortunate that Jet died in Avatar the Last Airbender. In Avatar and the Last Airbender and the Legend of Korra, so many people died that we cannot control that. So let's bring out our Kibo. Kibo, do your thing. And also, Barry's Rapidash had an illegal move. Normally, it can't learn any physical fire type moves until except for Flame Wheel and Flare Blades. But Ponyta can only learn Flame Wheel at Gen 5. So that's a little bit of illegal. That is little bit illegal. And for today's question of the day, that should be in the layout. And also, should I say the answer? Should I say the question? Kibo grow to level 31. Okay. And also I got a Dragonfly. Also why I had choice packs is okay. I bring the Dragonfly. Please do not go for Bubble Beam. We are dead. Should have stayed in with Jet. Go for close combat. Bye bye, Empoleon Bonaparte. Empoleon is based on Empoleon Bonaparte. Do you guys know that? Okay. I thought of asking that thing as question. But whatever. Also, if Fang doesn't have time to shine. What just happened? You are telling me I lost? Yes. Yeah. You're just a bit better than as usual. But listen up. Let me tell you who's going to take on the Pokemon League and become the champion. You guessed right, it's going to be anyway. You go to Iron Island, toughen up some more, okay? I'm gonna heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up our party and let's continue. Let's check on the gym. I'm just joking. Let's go to Iron Island, baby! Iron Island, baby! Okay, there's a weird man here. You are! Okay, you are Lucas. I'm Riley. I'm not Rano. And us. Anyway, it was nice to meet you all. Here's a gift. Okay, you give me a gift by meeting you. The hidden mission code is the moose strength, okay? I'll be training inside. You can join me if you'd like. For some reason I can't read. So let's use some repels. Off screen I bought a lot of them. And also off screen I picked up the Dragon Fang. It is in the Celestic Town. If you guys don't know for some odd reason. So let's go the correct way. I forgot about Iron. I remember the Iron, but I forgot how to traverse in this place. I know Riley will help us and will give us a Rioli egg, which is Lucario is pretty good, but we already have 2 fighting types in our team. So should we really add another Pokemon to our team? Really guys? Should we really add another fighting type? I don't think so. Okay, let's go this way. I think no. This way. Let's talk to Riley. Okay. And we decided to go with Riley. Okay, there are a shit ton of double battles here. Ripple effect over off. Nice. Let's go. No, not another trainer. We still have teleport on our Zahir, but normally in my playthroughs I never have teleport in to my Pokemon. I would never give them a stupid kind of move like teleport, but for some reason in this playthrough I still have that freaking teleport. So 2 cheeses. Let's go. Let's take on this double battle. Level 41 Lucario. Nice. Bye bye Gardevoir. Sorry, Kirlia, who was meant to be a Gardevoir. Okay, false swipe. That could be helpful. So I'm getting rid of teleport. As I was saying, I'm just talking of teleport and I just get rid of that. I get it now. You're responsible for agitating the Pokemon. Okay. Your dialogue is pretty useless anyway. So the only battle I'm gonna show off. Okay, 6 Pokemon. I'm gonna go for Psycho Cat. Riley, go for okay, nice. Stinky, stinky. Okay, Psycho Catch. Riley, go back. Psycho Catch. Go back, friends. Attack. Kibo Growth level 34. Drain Punch. Stunky, bye bye. Bye bye, Drain Punch. And over. Okay. Krogan. Psycho Cut. Bye bye. So Thanks. So, yes. Okay, I'll make a room for it. The egg, I'll see you guys when I make room for it. Okay guys, I'm back and let's talk to Riley and he'll give us the Riolu egg. And yeah. What? Yes. Let's go for another repair. So, I have to go to all the way back. Why there is a hole? We got a shiny stone. We can evolve it to get it into an to get keys, and we got a metal code to evolve any Pokemon. So yeah, let's go back to the mainland. So that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Let's play Pokemon Platinum. I am off screen has the tag. Peace.